got me blinded from the start. I never thought that it was alright. Everybody was against us, but I knew I will survive, and I just know that you can do that too. I felt so lost, and I have to admit that he was my life. I couldn't breathe without him, but those days are gone. I feel so much better, even if I miss him. I would love him forever.
Should I go? Should I go? Go to India. Should I go? Should I go? Go to India. Should I go? Should I go? Go to India. Should I go? Should I go? Go to India.
Hot like Tasmania, dry like in Kenya. Empty inside, but I still see the light of those nights that we spent in India. Say my name when nobody is around. Say my name and I will probably hypnotize you. I can hear you if you don't make a sound. I'll be lost if I never ever find you. I'm not myself and I don't wanna be if you don't come back. Who will care about me? But I have to move on. You let me know how to choice. I can't wait no more to hear the sound of your voice. Oh, oh.
Should I